guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is a special one, and I know I say that quite often, but it actually is quite special today. So I'm off to go film a delivery of a special car, but I'm not going to reveal what it is until I actually get there, because I'm going to do a nice cinematic like reveal of it. Try and get some driving shots and then do like a little cinematic when we're out and taking some photos. So what I'll do is I'll bring the GoPro as well, so I could have like a little POV shoot like I usually do, because I like that sort of stuff. So yeah, enjoy. That's sick. Shit. Yeah, dude. That's sick.
We're going this way, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, right.
So slippy.
Sounds mad.
I can't see out the back at all.
Yeah, I was gonna say like. That's sick.
again?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hang on, I'm gonna fucking hate me down here.
Yeah. That sounds sick. Sick.
I can't wait to just throw it in. Go. See that woman shake their head?
Yeah.
This car is quick.
Yeah.
So juddery. It's like the ego mode now. That's it last month.
Did you not?
No.
Oh my God.
SV doesn't have it. Smells like new car as well.
Yeah.
Oh god. Should probably lift it for this.
Yeah, he's lifting it as well. Oh, picture just here as well. Right, that's insane. As you can tell by my face, I am absolutely buzzing with today's shoot. Brand new Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in that purple. Yeah, that colour, you really need to see it in person to appreciate it. I don't know how well it picked it up on camera. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's kind of true to life. We've just finished up on the shoot. Luckily it didn't rain because it was absolutely chucking it down about, what, 20 minutes before we went out to take the photos and videos. I hope you enjoyed the cinematics because it was quite hard, like in between cars and stuff. It did get really busy. Usually this is a quiet place, but for some reason, and on every other shoot that I usually do, whenever I go out, there's always cars or always somebody wanting to get past. We managed to bring the Aventador SV out, the Rick and Morty wrapped one, which you'll have seen in a previous video that I did, so it was nice to have them both together. But yeah, both of them together looked incredible. Managed to get some really nice pictures, which you can see on my Instagram at lukem.media, because I usually do a post when I upload this video. So yeah, there'll be like a nice selection of photos on there. I did the POV as well, which you'll have seen, so just got like little extra photos and stuff for you in there. But it sounds so good as well, which is mad. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.